In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete cache from Samsung phone. First, let's start by opening the settings on your Samsung device. You can find the settings app represented by a gear icon, usually located on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tapping on this icon will take you to a menu with various options to customize your phone. This is where you can manage everything from your network settings to your display preferences. Opening the settings is crucial because it serves as the gateway to all the other functions. So, take a moment to locate and tap on that gear icon. You will see a variety of options on your screen, ready for you to explore. Next, once you are in the settings menu, look for the option labeled Apps. This option may also be called Applications depending on your device model. Tapping on this will bring you to a list of all the apps installed on your phone. This list includes both system apps and third-party apps. Navigating to apps is important because it allows you to manage the individual applications on your device. You will see each app displayed with its name and icon, giving you a clear view of everything installed on your phone. Once you find and tap on apps, you are one step closer to clearing that cache. Now you will need to select the app for which you want to clear the cache. Scroll through the list until you find the specific app that is causing issues or that you simply want to refresh. Tapping on the app will open a new screen with detailed information about it, including its permissions and storage usage. Selecting the right app is essential because clearing the cache for the wrong app will not resolve your issue. After you tap on the app, you will see its information displayed prominently on your screen, ready for the next action. After that, look for the option labeled Storage within the app's information page. Tapping on Storage will take you to a new screen where you can see how much space the app is using and how much of that is cache data. This step is crucial as it shows you how much cache is currently stored, giving you insight into potential performance improvements. You can easily identify if the app has accumulated a significant amount of cache data. Once you tap on Storage, you will have all the information needed to make an informed decision. Now that you are in the storage section, you will see the option to clear cache. Tap on this option, and your phone will begin the process of removing temporary files associated with that app. Clearing the cache can help improve the app's performance and free up valuable storage space on your device. It is a simple yet effective way to ensure your apps run smoothly. After tapping Clear Cache, you should see a brief confirmation indicating that the cache has been successfully cleared. This step is particularly satisfying, as it means your app will now operate more efficiently. With that done, you have successfully deleted the cache from your chosen Samsung app. It's a straightforward process, but it can have significant benefits. Regularly clearing cache helps maintain your phone's performance and can resolve minor issues with apps. Remember, this does not delete any personal data or settings. It simply removes temporary files. You can now return to your apps and enjoy a smoother experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you.